Hey everyone, Micah Leao here. I'm doing this video on why I like to use TradingView as a charting platform. It's so much better than the harmonic scanner charts or the MT4 charts, and the reason being it's just so much easier to use and it's a lot cleaner. But this is what I like to do that helps me not miss out on a trade. Now, um, a lot of people, that fear of missing out really gets to people because they want to be in every single trade. But when you trade pitchforks, like if you see something like this right here, you're not going to get in the trade. You're going to lose money because right now you don't know where the market's going to go. But again, you know that the top parallel, median, and the bottom parallel are strong reversal points. So what I like to do so I don't miss out on any trades is I actually set a trend line. So you can go to this left side, hit trend line, and you can actually draw a trend line, right? So when I draw a trend line, I am going to right click it and I'm going to add an alert on this trend line. So once I place this alert on the trend line, and you can name it. So I'm going to name it hit top parallel. And I'm going to create it. So when price hits this trend line on the top parallel, it's going to give me an email saying, hey, candle price hit your top parallel. Then I'm going to duplicate it 2 more times. So all you got to do is right click, clone, and I'm going to do the same for the median. And then I'm going to add an alert on the median. And I'm just going to name it median touch or median hit. And create. And then I'm going to do it 1 more time. I'm going to clone it. And then I'm going to throw it on the bottom parallel. Again, add alert. And name it bottom parallel hit. Create alert. So now I can just go about my day. And when price hits all these points, I'll get an alert. Once I get the alert, I'll just open my charts and see what I'm going to do from there. I hope this gives you a little help, a little information on TradingView and why I like it. And you're going to need the Pro Plus for this, but for me, it's well worth it because as you can see, it hit 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 trades for me, and this is probably about 150, almost 200 pips total. So that's going to make up way more, or make you way more than your $20 that you spent on TradingView. Again, this is Micah Leao. Until the next video, stay blessed.